Hi and welcome. I am going to teach you how to schedule follow-up emails in this video. With this feature, you can plan a series of emails ahead and schedule them in order. Aweber will take care of the rest for you. You can spare your time and do other important tasks while Aweber will send them the follow-up emails automatically. So let's get started. Log into your Aweber account and you will see the Messages button at the top left side of the page. Move your cursor to the button and you will see a drop-down menu. Choose the follow-up series option in the drop-down menu. It will lead you to this page. As you can see here, there are three options: drag and drop email builder, plain text message, and code your own HTML. You can choose the one you usually use to upload emails. But in this case, I'm going to choose plain text message as an example. When you are in this page, the first thing that you will see is the subject line box. Enter the subject line and type your email in the large box below your subject line. And when you are done with it, click on Save and Exit and wait for it to load. And then you will see this page. Click on the Send options and choose the option to add this draft to your follow-up series. You want to click the Click Tracking because this feature enables you to keep an eye on the open rate. And then click on Add to Follow-up Series. And there you go, your first follow-up email. To create a second email, move your cursor to Create a Message and click on Plain Text Message again. It will lead you to the page where you will fill in your subject line and write your email just like before. Enter the subject line and your email. And once you're done, click on the Save and Exit button. And you will be directed back to this page. Do the same thing. Click on the Send options and then Add to Follow-up Series. The pop-up box is now different from the first one. You need to state how many days after the first email that you would like to send out the second email. If you have a monthly follow-up email series, change the number to 30 so that your second email will be sent out 1 month later. If you want it to send after 1 week, change the number to 7. The number can be varied depending on your schedule. On the same page, there is a send window feature. You can deliver your message on certain days and times. For example, if you want the email to be sent on weekdays only, click the boxes from Monday to Friday. You can also set the time interval between 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. For your information, statistics have shown that weekdays from 9 to 12 is the time where most people will check their email. So it is highly recommended to choose that interval to send your email. If you have planned to use this feature, this would be a reference for you. Moving on, you've noticed that there are another two options below the table. The first one is Send Messages based on each subscriber's local time. You may want to enable this because you wouldn't know exactly where your subscribers are. If you send the emails merely according to your own time zone, you might lose some subscribers. The second option is Apply these days and times to all messages. And this is totally optional depending on your schedule. In this example, I'm going to put 30 days under the interval. In addition, click on Send Messages based on each subscriber's local time. Most importantly, click the Click Tracking and then click on Add to Follow-up Series. And there you have it. You've just set up your follow-up email series. If you want to have more in your series, just repeat the steps and that will do it. Thanks for watching.